Are there constant battles with inflammation, fatigue, or joint pain? These 5 powerful recipes can transform health, naturally. Discover easy, delicious ways to heal the body from within. First up, the turmeric ginger smoothie. Packed with anti-inflammatory spices, this blend of turmeric, ginger, pineapple, and almond milk fights inflammation and boosts immunity, perfect for mornings. Next, the salmon and avocado bowl. Omega-3 rich salmon reduces inflammation, while creamy avocado adds healthy fats. Pair with brown rice and greens for a nutrient-packed meal. Third, enjoy a kale and quinoa salad with olive oil. Leafy kale is rich in antioxidants. Mix it with quinoa, cherry tomatoes, and olive oil for a powerful anti-inflammatory combo. Fourth, sip on green tea with lemon. This simple drink reduces inflammation, and the lemon boosts vitamin C and absorption. Finally, try baked sweet potatoes with garlic. Sweet potatoes are fiber-rich, and garlic enhances anti-inflammatory properties. Easy and delicious. Try adding just one of these meals to your day and feel the difference. Which recipe will be first? Let it be known in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Stay safe, stay healthy. Subscribe to be part of this healthy family.